Is a 17-year tradition for us here at QVC. And let me tell you something. This set right here from Temp-tations, I own it, I love it, and I didn't get it at this price, okay? Take a look at your screen, K48879. This is the Temp-tations 6-piece glove, mitt, and trivet set. I think today there are a few of these that have made their way out the door.
Pretty sure it was pretty popular on David's show.
Yeah. More than 30,000 just today.
Yes.
I'm glad I'm wearing a cape. First day presented at this low price, less than $20. Clearance price, as you know, means no reorder. I know we have sizes and colors to discuss,
we'll do that.
Why did you come up with this in the first place?
And real quick, we are getting down to the final quantities, final colors. So this all started with the gloves. So the gloves, silicone on the right, on the front and the back. Why? So that you didn't have to figure out what was your left hand, which was your right hand. You were loving this so much that you asked me to continue to create other pieces in the collection. So we took that same technology in that woven material and we added it into our mini mitts, which you only could get in our sets previously. Now they're included. So when you're going into the Oster oven, when you're going into the toaster oven, you have something a little bit smaller, but we didn't stop there. We also included 2 of our most popular size trivets, our 13x9 and our 11x7. And oh, by the way, when you want to go ahead and store these pieces, slip them right down inside because there's a little loop so you can go ahead and hang them. And now you know where everything is and it's at the ready. If you love the polka dot, it's a mix and match and fun like you've been seeing in our glass. And then we have some of our other patterns and other colors, but this is just a no-brainer for your kitchen.
I mean, already 30,000 sets have been picked up just today.
Thank you,
We
everybody.
have 3 color choices that have already sold out. I own this set. I love this set. I didn't get it at this price. It's on 6 easy payments of $3.33, free shipping and handling, and you can toss them into the washing machine.
Love that.
Which I love.
And hang them to dry. So you want me to run through?
Polkas?
We have the polka dot. We should have small and large.
Yes, thank you. I'm wearing the large.
Great. Next door to that, we have our red. This is our mix in our classic.
Okay, small and large still available
there. Here we have our palm, what Mary's wearing. So that's that, I go say palm's having a moment.
It is.
Palm in that beautiful green with the silicone on the front and back. Such a great gift idea if you don't know what someone loves and collects.
Now, did you say in the palm we have the small only? 800 remaining.
And that's it?
That's it.
How about in the damask? Here we have that gray. If you picked up Old World or Floral Lace in the gray of our today's special value last month, this is the perfect companion.
We have small only, and we're down to our final 500. This is the color that I
love this.
Love too. I have to say too.
Yeah.
Oh, we have more options. I'm so sorry.
That's okay. Down in front here we have our what we call our teal trellis. So if you love that teal, and who doesn't, a nice pop of color, we have that as well.
Small and large available there.
And then at the very end we have the polka dot, which is what I was showing you.
Well, now that Mary cooled her jets for 10 seconds, let me tell you about the value.
Okay.
Because when we launched it, we talked about them price per piece. And so if sold separately, if you tried to put this together yourself, the oven gloves are $20 on their own.
Right.
That's their value. So for less than the cost of the oven gloves, you're getting the whole set tonight, which is crazy. And so if sold separately, you'd be spending $57.92. Our clearance price is less than a $20 bill. It's on 6 easy payments of $333. There is no reorder.
We will never be able to do this collection again. And I love what you just said. For the price of the mitts, of the gloves, of what you've been purchasing previously, you're getting the mitts and you're getting both trivets. And here's the beauty of it. And this is an extreme demo. A boiling tea kettle. Would you like to hold it first?
Sure.
Look at her over here. I mean, she's all like, I'll take it.
I trust you.
I can literally take this and put it in Mary's hands. Now, that's obviously an extreme demo. What are you feeling?
I mean, it's not even warm yet. I know it will be.
It will get warm.
But you'll just feel warmth on your hands. And that's the beauty. See how it's covered all the way up over my watch? I mean,
great point. I'm going to leave you with that boiling tea kettle. Aren't I good like that? And I'm going to walk over here because I want to show you truly why it was designed. I can reach into this oven. Notice my jacket is protected. My wrist is protected, to Mary's point. I have so many burns on my wrist because I'm not paying attention. I'm doing a million things. I'm reaching in. I'm bumping the rack. I can literally slide the rack out and in and not have to worry about it. I can touch various sides of it. I can come out with one of our meal mugs that's coming up. Look at this, gooey bubbling, and I can bring it out and I can actually put it right on top of one of my trivets. And now I'm gonna take that from you, you poor thing.
I don't mind.
And now, I didn't even know I was
nice
holding
and toasty.
it. And another thing that my mom taught me, which I thought was brilliant for her, and she loves when I say, you know, she's getting older. She's always like, I love you, honey. But here's what she told me, and I loved it. She could take her stock pot, she could take her enamel on steel, and she could slip her hand under it because she doesn't have the strength anymore in her wrist that she needs for some of these larger pieces. Frankly, I don't know really who does anymore.
Yeah,
so the fact that you don't have to worry about where you're grabbing it, this could have been a skillet, anything, you don't have to worry about it.
This set is now less than $20. If sold separately, it's $57.92. There is no reorder planned. I have to tell you, too, some of the best tools that we were ever given in the kitchen were our own hands.
You're
and
absolutely
so the fact
right.
that I can still use my fingers in the kitchen, maybe when I'm bringing things out of the oven and beyond. 37,000 have now been ordered just today. It's the first day presented at this low price. This is a rockin' stocking stuffer, too.
I agree.
And you can break it apart into different gifts.
Yeah, as if she read my mind. Here's what I want to say. Maybe you want to keep the gloves, but then think about it. You could gift the trivet with something. You could gift this trivet. You could gift the 2 trivets. You could gift the mitts. You have so many different ways for the foodie on your list that's unique and different that she's not going to see anywhere else. And the fact that they have the onboard storage where you can tuck them inside, the fact that the gloves, which you asked for, have the little hanging loops if you want to hang them too. Everything you asked for, we coordinated, but we're not able to do this set ever again.
We have updates.
Oh boy.
We are going to tell you, or show you actually, all of the choices that you still have remaining. I know already today, 3, how many options? Were any options gone? 3 options sold out prior to this presentation. And we just had another one sell out.
Which one?
The gray damask.
No.
Gray damask.
Lisa will cry.
Gone.
Anything that's gray,
sorry.
she wants.
Lisa will. I'm going to hand her these. By the way,
she's putting them in her
those are
bag.
hers.
She's taking them home.
in the palm, we have small only and 600 remaining.
Wow. And then that's it.
And in the red, small and large. But if you want the large, there are 500 remaining. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Teal trellis?
I get it.
Teal
How about
trellis?
the teal trellis? Small and large, both available. And then the same with the polka dot.
Polka dot. I love, to me, the polka dot is such a fun, Lisa was saying her daughters are younger, 24 and like 28, and she said that her girls would absolutely love the polka dots in the kitchen.
Oh my gosh, yes.
So think about that for great gifts.
Those trivets, too, are going to be great on your holiday table, but remember, there's no reorder plan. One more time with that value, you're actually saving tonight. So our value is $43.44 less than what you would be spending if you tried to pack this all up yourself. 6 easy payments of $333. Remember, this is our first ever free shipping weekend, and a lot of that free shipping and a lot of those 6 easy payments are gone at the end of the weekend. Now, coming up in 8 minutes, we have the set of 4 mini loaf pans with gift boxes, or as I like to call them, the ones that blew the windows out of the building last year at the holiday season. More than 20